Hello, and welcome back to my channel, Tips to Financial Independence. Today, I'll talk about recession in 2022. There has been talk regarding possible recession in 2022. Elon Musk tweeted that this might happen sometime this spring or summer. Meet Kevin, a popular YouTuber with millions upon millions in his portfolio, sold his stocks about 2 weeks ago, predicting a bear market in the next several months. Do you have a plan to weather the possible storm ahead? What to do in a looming recession? Number one, make sure your stock portfolio is diversified. In the event that recession actually occurs, there are companies that will not emerge successfully out of a recession. If you hold single stocks and your company goes bankrupt, you're likely going to lose all your money. I mentioned in my previous video on how to diversify your stock portfolio. If you, for example, own VTSAX mutual fund, which is well diversified with over 3,500 US companies, you have a chance of emerging out of a recession unscathed. How is that possible, you might wonder? If one of the over 3,500 companies in the VTSAX mutual fund goes bankrupt, the fund would drop that company from the fund and replace it with the next better performing company. You do not have this kind of protection with single stocks. But I have single stocks in my portfolio. If that is your case, make sure you do a lot of homework before investing in single stocks. Single stocks can be rewarding, yet they pose a great risk. If you owned Apple, Amazon, or even Facebook when they IPO'd and held, you would have made a lot of money by now. Just last week, Facebook stock price fell by 26% following Q4 2021 earnings, and the share price continues to fall since last week. So, please do not invest money that you cannot afford to lose in a single stock. I personally do not know the future of Facebook, but the drop in share price is concerning. We have to wait and see how it's going to perform in the coming quarters. If you are risk averse but still want to own a pie in companies such as Facebook, Amazon, and Apple, the S&P 500 is a great way to own the pie. And of course, VTSAX that I mentioned earlier. There are many more funds that hold such companies. You just have to do your research. Number two, do not sell your stocks and move into a cash position. Case in point, it's very hard to predict where the market will go, and if there is a recession, how long it will last. At the beginning of the COVID pandemic, some people sold when the market started tanking and did not buy back, thinking the stock prices were going to continue falling. The stock market ended up having a great year in 2020 overall. Therefore, timing the market beats timing the market, as the saying goes. Number three, invest more. When the share price is falling, that's the best time to buy more. The stock price falls because people are selling out of fear. If you buy more while the stock price is falling, you will have more gains when the market rebounds. This is like buying stocks on discount. Number four, emergency fund. Make sure you have an emergency fund that will help you survive during a recession. You wouldn't want to sell your stocks during a recession when the price is so much lower to cover an emergency unless you absolutely have to. Recessions can bring about job loss as companies go bankrupt. An emergency fund can help make it less painful. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye-bye.